does managed VPS hosting ensure maximum reliability for your business? In a world that's quickly moving online, reliability is an issue that needs to be addressed. VPS hosting is a feature-rich and powerful hosting platform that offers full value for your money. Here's how managed VPS hosting ensures maximum reliability for your business. Dedicated resources. Unlike a website on a shared platform, a site hosted on a VPS does not have to share its resources. It makes the website perform more consistently and predictably, offering more reliability. Full root access. On some hosting platforms, site owners do not have access to the entire server. Managed VPS offers full root access, which can be used to configure the server for reliability. Virtual isolation. In a shared hosting space, there's a possibility of catching malware infection from other sites. Managed VPS is a standalone server that negates this problem by hosting only one website. Effortless scalability. When a website experiences a surge in traffic, it needs more resources to cope with the additional load. Managed VPS hosting allows effortless scalability, wherein you can add more resources with a single click. Proactive support. Technical support is often the first line of defense, and its efficiency determines a website's reliability. Managed VPS hosting comes with expert proactive support, which monitors your site 24/7 and resolves issues in quick time. Reseller Club's managed VPS hosting offers customized server setup with specialized support and proactive server monitoring. Give your website a feature-packed and powerful hosting platform with dedicated resources and robust security.